Hi boys and girls, so today for your math homework, what you have to do is you have to solve the equation vertically and you have to use the place value chart and chips to model each problem. So what they did for you on the place value chart is they drew the chips in for the top number. So they drew 42 for you, and then they had to take 6 ones away, and they knew that they didn't have enough. So remember, when there's more on the floor, you go next door and borrow 10 more. So you have to borrow a 10. So they crossed out a 10 and added 10 ones. So now what I want you to do is go ahead and cross out how many you need to take away. So it says you have to take away 6. So I'm going to cross out 6. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you have to go to the 10s, and it says take 2 10s away. So now if I label my number, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I have 6 left, and 1. So now go over to the vertical method. If I have 2, can I take 6 away? No. So when there's more on the floor, you go next door and borrow 10 more. So if I have 4 10s and I take 1 away, I'm left with 3. So you cross out the 4 and you put a 3. Then you take those 10 ones and you add them to the 2, so you get 12. And now you subtract 12 minus 6. So 12 minus 6 is 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. So my answer is 6. So right here you're going to type in 6. You would type in 6. It's not letting me for some reason. Anyways, and then you go to the 10s place. 3 10s minus 2 10s is 1 10. So my answer is 16. So that is what you need to make sure that you're doing. The next one, they drew 54 for you, so now you have to take 28 away. And remember, if there's more on the floor, you go next door and borrow 10 more. What that means is when there's the number on the bottom is bigger than the top, you have to borrow. You have to unbundle a 10. And then they drew 60 for you here, and now they want you to take away 17. So look at the bottom number. Is it bigger? If so, go next door and borrow 10 more. So that means you would cross out a 10 and unbundle it for 10 ones. All right, have a good day. Bye.